Welcome back to Protechnix. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the title of a form in VB.NET using WPF. This is a fundamental concept, and it's super easy to do. Let's jump right in. In WPF, every window you create is an instance of a form, and each form can have a title displayed in the title bar at the top. First, let's open Visual Studio. If you haven't already, create a new WPF application project. To do this, click on File, then New Project, and select WPF Application under Visual Basic. Now find and open main window.xaml. This is the main form we'll be working with. You can set the title of the window directly in the XAML file. Let's do that first. In the main window.xaml file, look for the window tag at the top. You'll see properties that define the window. To change the title, simply add or modify the title attribute. Here, I've set the title to my first WPF application. You can change this to whatever you like. Now, let's run the application to see the new title in action. Click on the Start button or press F5. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe for more programming content. Thanks for watching.